Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel WordSprout. Today we'll take a peek into Wilson's diary. He's had a rough day. What made it so challenging? Let's find out together.
July 30, 2024. Cloudy and cool. Hi, diary. Today was a bad day. Everything seemed to go wrong. First, I woke up late. My alarm didn't go off, and I had to rush to get ready. I missed breakfast because I didn't have time. Hurry up, Mom said. You don't want to be late for school. At school, we had a math test. I studied last night, but when I saw the questions, my mind went blank. I tried my best, but I know I didn't do well. Don't worry, my friend said. We all have bad days. But I still felt sad. During lunch, I spilled juice on my shirt. It was so embarrassing. Everyone looked at me, and I wanted to hide. It's okay, said another friend. It could happen to anyone. When I got home, I just wanted to relax and play my favorite video game. But Mom said, Wilson, stop playing games and do your homework. I was frustrated because I just wanted to have some fun. So I sat at my desk and did my homework, even though I didn't feel like it. Now that the day is over, I feel tired and grumpy. I really hope tomorrow will be better. Good night, diary. Talk to you tomorrow.
How was your day? Did anything interesting happen? Share your diary entry in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. See you next time.